Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Audacity on Windows 10 operating system. So let us start. Open your favorite browser and in the search box write down Audacity, download, and click here audacityteam.org, and you can see it's available in different platforms: Windows, Mac and Linux. Here we have to use it for Windows. Click here download for Windows. It will download the Windows version. Here you can see it's downloading. Now click this file and minimize this window and click here OK. Click here next. Click here next, and this is the destination folder where the Audacity will be installed. Click next, click next, and click install, and click here next and click finish, and click finish. It will launch the Audacity. Here you can see the Audacity interface. You can now edit the audio files here, or you can record as well. This is a record button. For example, I want to record something. This is how it can be recording my voice, and click here stop. Now you can play and you can edit the audio. Here we can play this. Click here play. This is how it can be recording my voice, and click here stop, and we can hear suppose. And this is how you can download and install Audacity, and you can edit different audio files. It's a good software for editing the audio. And I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.